your EDR software is supposed to protect you, right? You know, endpoint detection, real-time monitoring, all those fancy security layers that your company spent $6 million on. Yeah. Well, Quillin and Warlock ransomware gangs just said cute and then walked right past about 300 of them. Yeah, they're using this tactic called BYOVD, or bring your own vulnerable driver. Basically, they show up with a legitimate signed driver that they know has vulnerabilities, and then they load that onto your system and then use them to murder your security tools at the kernel level before your EDR even knows what hit it. Okay, Quillin's dropping a DLL called MSI MG32 that terminates drivers for almost every known security vendor on the market. It neutralizes user mode hooks, suppresses event logs, and hides its control flow so well that your monitoring tools are blind. Yeah, they're using tools and drivers like throttle stop to access physical memory and another one to terminate EDR processes. Both drivers are already seen in Akira and MacOp ransomware attacks. This is becoming playbook actions now. Yeah, stats are showing that Quillin is at this point the most active ransomware group on the planet right now. Hundreds of victims currently. In Japan alone, they claim 22% of all ransomware incidents in 2025. They get in with stolen creds, spend about 6 days methodically expanding their control, and then boom, ransomware deployment. Warlocks, they're doing the same thing, but they're hitting unpatched SharePoint servers and using a vulnerable driver called insect kernel to kill security at the kernel level. They're using tight VNC for persistence, Velociraptor for command and control, and rclone to exfiltrate your data using legitimate tools. The fix here is stop allowing unsigned drivers, folks. Monitor every driver installation event. Patch your security software religiously because, yeah, if your EDR has a driver-based component, it's going to be a target, okay? Multi-layered defense isn't optional anymore. It's standard. Defense in depth is survival.